In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add voiceover in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. First, open the project you want to add voiceover to. Once your project is open, make sure no other elements are selected. If something is selected, just hit the back button located in the bottom left corner. Next, navigate to the Audio tab at the bottom. Scroll through the options until you find VoiceOver and select it. Before beginning the recording, decide where in the video you want the voiceover to start. Position the cursor at the starting point, whether it's the beginning of the video or somewhere in the middle. When you're ready to record, tap or hold the microphone button in the middle. You'll need to grant microphone access if prompted. After tapping, a countdown will begin, signaling the start of your recording. Speak your desired voiceover, and once you're finished, click the recording button again to stop. If you're not satisfied, you can choose to delete and redo it. You also have options like Enhance or Voice Effects, but I won't use those for this demonstration. Confirm your recording by pressing the tick mark. The recorded voiceover will appear as an audio file in your project. If there are parts where you stopped speaking, you can edit these out. Simply select the voiceover track, use the split function at the points where you stopped and started speaking, and then delete the silent segment. You can then move the remaining audio to close any gaps, ensuring a smooth and continuous playback. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video.